Hi, this is Jake Strack, the COO of miingl. I'm here with the amazing Anna Fox, who is an expert at helping you monetize your influence. You want to drop a couple of your tags, or where should they find you, Anna, if they want to follow up more, other than on miingl, obviously, when you're first. Yeah, you can drop it in the chat over there. So what we're going to do real quick with Anna is we're actually just going to run through and show you how to create an event. So obviously I'm going to broadcast first. Anna, if you want to raise your hand so we can talk. Perfect. And I'm going to add Anna on here. Now I'm going to share my screen. That's my adorable kid right there. Now I'm just going to go to my app.miingl.com. And it's going to take me into it's logging me in. I'm already logged in. And it's going to take me to my dashboard. And what you're seeing here on the dashboard is you're just seeing events that are happening live now and upcoming events. If you're looking for Anna, you can just type in Anna here and it would show her events, or you could type in how to miingl here and you would see all the how to miingl events, which is what we're doing right now. Now, to create an event, you just go to create event. If you don't put in an image, what you're going to get is the miingl logo on there. So you don't have to put in an image, but let's just put in one. I'm going to put in our 1 million cups image. And then you can either make it private or public. Public means that it's going to go on that forum out there and anybody can join. Private means that it's only people that you invite from their email, right? So just those people. Oh, I'm sharing correctly. Cool. And then you put in your title, whatever you want. And then you say if it's instant or scheduled. Obviously, we want to schedule it out. You put in a time. And I'm making it private so that I can just delete it later. It'll automatically set to your default time zone, so you don't actually have to set this unless you want to. Duration doesn't mean that you have to end it at 60 minutes or whatever you set the duration. That just means that the calendar invite that goes out to people who are invited to this or who say, I'm interested in this, will be that time frame. So I'm going to pick an hour. I'm going to put it, if you do a public event, I highly recommend doing a description. It's also just good practice to do a description, right? And then you hit create event. So now the event is created. You can invite people a couple of different ways. So I need to blur. So you can do it a couple of different ways. You can type in names there. And if you can see, mine is blurred. And the only reason I'm blurring it is so that you guys don't see what pops up. So you can type in the name, email, phone number. So I'm going to actually put Anna in here. And you're not seeing her because I wanted it blurred for a reason. Now I can hit invite. She's going to get an invite to this after I hit this robot. But you can also upload a CSV. So if you do a CSV, it's just name, email, phone, and you can download a sample right here. But you line those up and you can do up to 50 at a time. I say 50, but actually do 49 if you have that many people. So if you're collecting name and email and phone number somewhere else, like let's say I run an Instagram event or an Instagram promo and I say, hey, come join me to learn how to monetize your influence, right? Drop your email and your name here, and you can do your email and name. You don't have to do the email and phone. You can do the email or phone, right? So it can be the email or phone number and the name. So the only requirement is name, email, or phone number. Now you scroll down a bit and you're going to see the SMS message that goes out. That's pretty limited to 160 characters, but you can customize it here. So that's what would go to your text. And then you scroll down a bit more and you're going to see what they see when they go out when they send out the calendar invite. And you actually get a calendar invite. And as you can see right there, there's your referral code. That's my referral code so that I can be coming to it. And then hit I'm not a robot. So you can adjust this however you want. I'm not a robot, invite user. Now you can copy the link here, and this you can share on your social media. You can share it wherever. I'll show you also how to get that just in case you accidentally skip by it. Okay, I skipped by it. Oh, now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go find that event. And this is how you edit it. So right in front of my face, whatever, right here. So it's right here. What I can do is I can actually copy that link right here, copy invite link by clicking on that. I can edit that by editing it here. If I wanted to invite more people, I just click on the event. If I wanted to invite more people, I go to this detail page, and then I scroll down, and you can see who's invited. And then you hit invite users, and it'll take you right back to that invite user page where you can now invite more users. Right. So now, if you're thinking of anything like public events are basically free to everybody. Everybody can join. They can just jump on. They can find it in our dashboard. They can do all kinds of things like that. But if, let's say, you want to ticket an event, what you would do is you would work through a ticketing system that would give you a name, email, phone number, or just name and email, or just name and phone number. And they would buy the ticket, and then you'd get a CSV of that, and you'd upload it into a private event. Because in a private event, that email is their access to the event. So if we're like right now, that event that we created, whatever event, only Anna and I can get in there. We're the only ones because it's private. Now, let's say you screwed up and you just want to trash it. Just go ahead and delete the event. And Anna's actually going to get a notification that that got deleted because she was part of that event. Anyway, thanks for recording that with me. Any questions before I stop the recording? Perfect.